shit feel well. You took it well. Promise I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel. Give me another value. Give me another hour or two. Hour with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a half up, half down hairstyle. And first I started off by braiding the back of my hair. I do not know how to braid, so girl, I asked my mom to, do some little braids in the back. So you definitely want to have your hair braided, and then you want to part off a section for your half up, half down. And I flat ironed that section so it could be super straight because it is my natural hair and I want it to look really sleek. So now I'm taking my Brazilian curly hair from a company called Juicy Bundles, and I'm sewing that behind my head where the braids are. And with each sew, I make a knot. If you can see, I make a knot within each sew to make it extra secure. So you want to make sure you do that so it's super secure. Once I finish my whole head and I reach to the part that looks kind of sketchy on top, you know what I'm talking about. So I take a bundle and I flip it over the other side, as you can see, and then I sew it going the other way, and then I just flip it over to basically cover the tracks that are showing. And then to make it look even more natural, I wand curl my natural hair, some of my natural hair, just to cover the tracks a little bit and make it look a little bit more seamless. And also you can use flexi rods if you want, but I wanted to use a wand curl because it was just quicker. And what I'm using today to lay my edges is called Edge Booster by Style Factor. And when I tell you, this edge control was so bomb, like it literally looked like I had a perm and my hair is natural. So I really highly suggest this edge control. It was really, really nice. But the only thing is that it has a little bit of white residue, which I really, really don't like. I hate white residue. But when I first initially put it on, it looked amazing. As you can see, like my hair is just gliding through. Like it looks beautiful. But yeah, I'm just laying my edges down right now, making sure it looks on fleek. And then after you lay your edges, you just want to put your hair in a really tiny itty bitty bitty bun. Make sure it's really small. Like wow. Do you guys see? I don't think people see this, but this is crazy. Okay, so now you're gonna take a bundle and you're gonna make a braid on each end of the bundle, as I showed just now. And you're gonna wrap the braid around your little ponytail, pin it down, and then you're going to wrap the rest of the hair around that little ponytail that you have there until it reaches the end. And then when you get to the end, you're gonna take that same braid, wrap it around, and then wrap the rest of the bundle around your hair like this, and secure with bobby pins if you have to, And this is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Trap money, Benny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you right?